got it, your back tire was over the line.
Was it?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Is there weapons in the vehicle?
You just pulled me over. What do you want?
A traffic stop. But something feels different from the very first second. No explanation. No calm approach. Just one question from the officer. Any weapons in the vehicle? And from that moment, everything goes off track. This stop turns into a clash between authority, rights, and misunderstanding. On both sides. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the law and your rights in real-world police encounters.
What'd you stop me for?
What's up?
Why did you stop me?
I'll explain that in a second. You have your weapons in the vehicle. I make sure the scene's safe first.
You need to tell me why you stopped me.
What's that?
You need to tell me why you stopped me.
Yeah, I'll explain that in a second to you.
No, you need to tell me right now. You just detained me on the side of the road while I'm driving.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll explain all that in a second. Can you confirm you have weapons in the system?
In the system?
Confirm you have weapons in the vehicle.
You're gonna tell me why you stopped me before I ask any questions. Answer any of your questions.
Fair enough. Is it Christopher? Is that your first name?
You know who I am?
That is your voice.
Ah.
Okay.
So why are you asking me if I have weapons if you know who I am?
I can't see what you have going on your lap down there, that's why.
If you know who I am, you know I don't have any weapons. So why are you asking me? Right?
Are you able to answer that question for me yet or no?
Hey, roll this window down.
You don't gotta roll it down.
Roll this window down.
You don't have to.
Okay.
For what? What did he do? He's just a
Can you provide your
passenger.
ID for me, Christopher, please?
Yeah, it does.
You better tell me why,
It's not for him. He got
Right now.
pulled.
I
You
can
pull
I'll
this one.
explain to you eventually.
you'll explain to me eventually?
Yes.
I want to know why I'm stopped. I didn't break any laws. You see this dash cam right here? See that? See that you're live now.
He's not answering if he doesn't. It's Christopher, I can't remember his name.
Ruff.
Dude, don't make it difficult, man.
Christopher Ruff. I just told you.
Can you provide your ID, please?
I just told you what my name
Go
is.
to the window for me.
Am I lawfully detained right now?
You are.
Okay, if I'm lawfully detained, I just got to give you my name and my first and last name, right?
Name, date of birth, absolutely.
Okay, Christopher Ruff.
Well, 289.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
You haven't told me why I'm stopped. Now, I just complied with what you want to know. Now,
Hey,
tell
you
me.
failed to yield a private drive when you left the intersection, or the Circle K. I'm QT back there. Hey, you shined a light in my face.
I did? I did?
So,
I'm driving the vehicle. I did that?
can you confirm there's weapons in the vehicle, Chris?
Hey, you guys, I got a dash cam right there that will show all of this. This is excellent. Share this around. This moron knows who I am and he's asking me if I got weapons in the car. I don't have to answer questions. You know what the Fifth Amendment is?
Stand by with me.
You have weapons or not?
Do you know what the Fifth Amendment is?
Okay. All right. I want you to understand.
Do you know what the Fifth Amendment is? Yes or no? Hit the like button, you guys. Share this. Hey, so this cop back here that's standing here is the one that was following me a few months ago in this truck. What's your name and your badge number? Huh?
Who, mine?
Both of yours, yeah.
Piso 21681. Circula 23437.
Why are you ignoring me and he answered?
I didn't know you were asking me, bro.
Cop watch, guys. We know who we are and we're still with us. You guys ain't smart, right? Hey, hit him with the light. Where's my light at? Shine him with the big one. Keep shining me in light.
You have any
The
weapons?
thing is, there's passing
Make sure you
traffic.
don't have any weapons. You didn't answer. Looks like you have.
Do your plain view search. I don't have to answer questions.
Well, you have a freaking wrench right next to you, man.
So what? There's tools all over this truck. This is a work truck. Oh my God, this is great. Look, he's talking about a wrench. Here, shine your light on the wrench. Shine your light on the wrench so my son can see it.
Bam.
Look at that. I got a dangerous wrench right there.
Feel for the safety.
Can that be dangerous or not, man? You answer me that question, bro. We don't answer questions.
I don't answer questions.
Exactly.
Why you got your window down? Look that guy.
And we got the whole squad out here.
Everybody, man.
So write my ticket. Come on.
Well, we need to obtain all your information first, right?
There you go. Go write my ticket.
What's your name and badge number?
Nobody's asked
officer?
me for that yet.
Christopher Ruff.
Yeah, you know exactly
Name and
who I
badge
am.
number.
Do I know you?
You know exactly who I am. This guy followed me.
No, I didn't. You were so paranoid. You pulled into the QT for whatever reason.
Oh, I have that footage too. So this is going to be great when I cut this all together.
That's fine. You thought your license was suspended still, right?
My license ain't suspended.
Not anymore.
It hasn't been. It wasn't.
Yes, it was. You know that. You have insurance registration for your vehicle, Mr. Christopher?
I sure do, but guess what? I don't have proof of my insurance on me, so you're gonna have to write me a no display of insurance ticket, or whoever pulled me over here.
Do you have it on your phone, like an app or whatever?
Nope, just write my ticket. I'll take the ticket, I'll go to court, because this is how I get you guys in more deep shit. We're gonna play the game. Say hi to everybody. These are your super fans.
Super fans, huh?
Yeah,
I think they're your super fans, man. They're your fans.
they're my fans.
Yeah, that's how you make them, right?
Only when you guys do this. If you would have just ignored me, I wouldn't be getting paid right now.
That's fine, dude.
Genius.
No, you do
It
for
took them
reason,
a
right?
whole
You do it.
minute and a half.
Do
to
what for a
respond.
reason? Drive
Whatever
through.
you do.
What did I do?
Just get attention from people and make living.
Get attention by driving my truck?
And whatever reason he pulls you over, he had a reason to pull you over. Right?
He had a reason? How do you know he had a reason? Were you there?
I'm backing him up, dude.
Oh, so just because you're backing him up, you know he had a good reason, right?
Whatever it was. man.
Whatever it was,
Pull people
back-
over just to pull people over.
Back.
Jesus
Oh, you
Christ.
don't pull people over just to pull people over.
Was that? Is
I
that
pulled you
fuzzy?
over that one time. I did it, right?
You were going to.
You know I did.
You wanted to.
I wanted to, so now you know my intentions, right?
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm gonna do before I do it.
So I'm letting you guys know right now, you got 20 minutes to write my ticket.
Mr. Ruff,
Hmm.
do you still live off 22nd or do you live off Palomino?
I mean, whatever you got on my ID is what's on there.
Alright,
Looks like we get to go to court again. You know the judges are getting tired of you guys sending me in there.
I know. tell me.
You don't care.
Who are they gonna get tired of first?
You. Because they're not going to be pushing your cases through anymore, which puts you guys liable for shit like this.
We're just doing our job.
We're just doing our job. I know you got directives.
The
to fuck with
Nazi
me.
said that too.
The Nazi said that
The Nazi said that too.
Look at these guys.
Keep up on people and just talking to you and everybody just butts in.
Do you need a hug? You kind of sounded like you need a hug right there, bro.
He gets a lot of those when he goes back to the station.
So this guy back here that's standing over by there, this is the guy that if you twitch wrong, he's the one that's going to shoot you. If you guys ever find yourself in this position, yeah, that. Don't play flashlight games. I got a beast flashlight. You won't be able to see.
We got the whole force out here, bro. Just about.
I'm special. I get special treatment. Hey, so I need everybody's name and badge number.
Ask him yourself, man.
No.
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
Everybody's detaining me. I need everybody's, especially yours.
Then bring your lieutenant over here right
You got
now.
a card on you?
Bring your sergeant over here for it.
Give me your card.
Oh, is that you?
Give me your card. You know your policy, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so give me your card. If you have one, give it to me.
We're not done yet. You'll get it.
Do you have it on you?
I don't know.
You don't know? We're not done yet, so I don't get his card yet, even if he has it on him. He said he doesn't know, so it would have been easier to just say, no, it's in my car. But since he said, I don't know, he probably has it on him. He's just being a jackwagon. Good job, officer. Instead of making me look like the asshole, you just continue to do it to yourselves. I'm live right now. These people are seeing it for themselves. Fucking genius.
All 4 of them.
All 4 of it. Well, 5 or 6? 520 right now. And that's in 8 minutes. So if we're here for another 8 minutes, I'll have about 1,000. So the longer we sit here, share it around, guys. Let's get more people in here.
You're making more than them tonight with that.
I know. I'm going to make more than you guys this whole week on this one video.
Fine, man. Congratulations.
Thank you. No, thank you.
Well, you're making it legal.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're making it legal.
Thank you, guys. Seriously, thank you for pulling me over. This is some of the best footage I ever get when you pull me over.
You say that every time.
I know the videos go viral, don't they? Hundreds of thousands of views. Your department gets so many phone calls, they hate you. This is great. It's a small faction of Mesa PD. These guys, it's a small group. I bet you I can name all the cops that are back there that aren't new. I bet you I can name all of them because it's a very small group. There's cliques inside of the Mesa Police Department. There's ones that'll play ball and then there's ones that won't play ball. These are the ones that'll play ball. These are the ones that'll play ball. They'll write shitty reports. They'll lie. They'll say that things happened, didn't happen. See that touch of the face right there? That's a, you know, that's something he can't hide, but it's, oh, nervous. You ain't touched your face this whole time, and then you just did right now. You're an idiot, dude. It's called body language. I've been paying attention to your body.
This is the first time I actually talked to you.
I don't need to talk to you before.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You've never talked to me before.
I don't need to talk to you before. You're all the same.
Before.
I've dealt with this idiot too many times.
Oh, I know I have to.
Like doing. It gets more.
Hey, tell him what you think about him in the chat right here. Am I an asshole or is he an asshole? Not everybody that subscribes to my channel supports me, so just let's see what they got to say right here. 610, we're at 610 right now, 617. Hit the like button, you guys. Share this around. 626. Come on, they want to pay me tonight.
Touch your face. You nervous?
Did you touch
Why
your
do you
face?
cover up your face? Just quick question.
Because I'm scared.
Being extra safe. Three people.
I don't want to catch your bugs.
Why bug?
The monkey.
Yeah,
bugs.
the monkey bugs.
Mason, right?
I took my mom with me to court today. She got to see the tyranny for herself.
Just like mumbling.
Do you smell bacon?
Bird bacon.
We got
Heard that one before.
9 more minutes here, fellas. So I'm gonna be charging $1,200 a minute after this detainment here. Wow, yeah. Sounds funny, right?
Tax free?
Hey, just giggle for me. Give me a little giggle. Give me a little giggle at how funny you think that is.
Tax free? Like you get straight $1,200 for
We're-
a 10-minute video?
We're contracting. No. Me and you are contracting. So after my 20-minute detainment that you're allowed for a traffic stop to write a ticket, it becomes $1,200 a minute. Shut up and let me finish talking. It becomes $1,200 a minute.
Exactly. Like, whatever reasonable amount of time it takes to write the citation.
Dude, you guys are so dumb. You know the Supreme Court's already ruled on what a reasonable amount of time is, right? Are you really going to try and have this argument with me? You guys know who I am. You think I'm a fucking idiot when it comes to the law?
For rough, that's all.
Exactly.
What
Exactly.
does that mean to me, man?
Look, somebody just sent me $10 because of how dumb you are. Thank you. Appreciate that from Canada.
Well, if you're not working, you gotta get money somehow.
Hey.
Whatever makes you money, Chris.
Yeah, that's right. Christopher Ruff. Say my name. Say my name again. Come on, say my name. Come on. Come on, man. Give me a horn and say my name. Come on, I love that shit. Christopher Ruff. But it sounds better coming out of your mouth.
Time, man. They circle jerk. They want you to join their circle jerk.
Come on, say my name. It sounded cute.
Thinking of something to say.
I know some. I see some gang stripes.
No, it's
and
not.
There you go, sir.
Where's my ticket?
You're not getting a ticket, Tim.
What? Come on, man. Please write me a ticket. I need their cards, though. I need cards.
Good thing I recognize your voice.
What do you mean, good thing you recognize my
What's
voice?
that supposed
Yeah,
to
what's
mean?
that mean?
When you step back and look at this encounter, it's not as simple as it looks. There are legal issues here, but they don't come from just one side. Let's start with the officer. Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop is a seizure. That means one thing: the officer must have a lawful reason to stop the vehicle. And more importantly, they are required to communicate that reason within a reasonable time. Here, the driver repeatedly asks, "Why was I stopped?" And the answer is delayed. That's where the problem begins. Now let's talk about the Fifth Amendment claim. The driver insists he doesn't have to answer questions, and in general that's true. Under the Fifth Amendment, you have the right to remain silent. But there's a key nuance most people miss. During a lawful traffic stop, you must provide identification and required documents. Driver's license, registration, insurance. That's not optional. That's part of operating a vehicle under state law. So when the officer asks for documents, that's legally justified. Now the weapons question. The officer says, "You have to tell me if you have weapons." That's not entirely accurate. There's no general federal requirement to answer that question. But officers can ask it for officer safety reasons during a stop. And depending on the situation, refusal can raise suspicion. But silence itself is not automatically a crime. And this is where everything falls apart. The stop becomes less about law and more about ego. The driver escalates. The officers stop explaining. And what should have been a routine stop turns into a confrontation. This wasn't a clean rights violation case, and it wasn't a clean driver is wrong case either. It was something more common, a breakdown in understanding the law on both sides. Know your rights, but more importantly, know where your rights start and where the law still applies. Because if you don't, a simple traffic stop can turn into something much bigger. Subscribe for more real legal breakdowns like this.
So I'm gonna give you a break
Cops
today.
playing that. Come on.
Drive safe.
Come on, give me a ticket, please. Please?
No. And next time.
What? Come on, you're ruining it.
Who did the floodlights? So
We don't
We
answer
don't
questions,
answer
bro.
questions.
Oh God.
But we're gonna keep doing it. So if you want to pull me over again, you could do it again. I'll take it. Just write me the ticket. Come on.
Stop. That's a good thing.
I'll always stop. I'll never run.
No, you're good.
I don't have any ill will or violence towards you guys. This is excellent. You took the bait, bro. You took the bait. You realize that? You took the bait like all the other idiots. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. You got offended because somebody shined a flashlight at you and you followed us. And then you pulled me over for some bit and I got it all on dash cam and I'm going to post it tomorrow and show everybody just how wrong you are. So I would advise not pulling me over in the future because you pay me every single time you do it. Huh?
Have a good night, okay?
I didn't break the law. That's why I'm not getting a ticket. That's why I'm not getting a ticket, sucker. Write my ticket. Come on, give me my ticket. No card? You gonna give me your card? Nope, no cards either, huh?
That's what, like 17 policy violations right here by 17 officers.
You already know.
Damn, you guys. He won't even give me my ticket. Come on, give me the ticket.